Alright everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome to another case accessory video for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and this is actually the last case accessory or the last case in general that I had planned to take a look at. So we've officially run the gamut on the different styles of cases that you can pick up for your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. And honestly, we've run the price gamut as well, because all the cases and accessories that I've looked at for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G range in pretty much every affordable price point, and they provide basically full protection. So all the cases and accessories that I've looked at pretty much run the price gamut, ranging in price from at least $7 to at most all the way up to 21 bucks. And we're going to take a look at the last fully protected case in today's video. So let me take the rest of these out of here. I just wanted to highlight all the cases and accessories that I've looked at for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. It's been a long road, y'all, and we're finally getting close to the end of it. Okay? And this particular case in general, alright, I'm going to take a little bit longer with it during my review process because, okay, let me get this disclosure out the way. This case was also brought into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. Okay, so that means that I just have to use the case and then write up a full written review and submit it to be published on Amazon, and then the case is mine to keep. Alright? That being said, I still did do my due diligence, and I was reading reviews online, and a lot of customers had a lot of negative things to say about this case. Alright? So, as such, I'm going to take a little bit longer to review this case in particular than I normally would, because I want to make sure that I get a nice long time frame. So if I have any issues similar to what these customers experience, I can report that back to y'all in the full review of this case. Alright? But let's dive into it. So today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the FNT full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Alright, let's go. Now starting off here, talking about the overall packaging and presentation, FNT. You guys did a great job here. Very simple and straightforward company branding. Right in the middle. Up at the top, it tells you exactly what device this is for. Down below, it highlights all the important features. Okay? So no muss, no fuss. Very clean and straightforward. Good job, FNT. Okay? Flipping it to the side, we're clean. Flipping it to the other side, we're also clean. Flipping it to the back, again, another barcode letting you know what device this is for. Right there. And then we got a little bit more information about the case and the company right here. Okay. FCC information down there. Recyclable material. Very clean. Very straightforward packaging. I like it. Okay. Now, I already cracked all the tapes and seals off camera. I pretty much already unboxed it. And then I boxed it back up to give y'all that unboxing experience. So let's slide it out. So here's the case. We don't have any other booklets or materials in here. Empty. Empty. Alright, let's put this off to the side. Okay. Let's get the case out of its protective sleeve. Okay, here we go. Flip it over. Boom. Ah, this is another case here that comes with a tempered glass screen protector. Alright. So, we got a little booklet here, a little pamphlet highlighting the features of the case. Show y'all this. Okay, going over the features right there. Okay, rest this off to the side. Then this one, as I said before, comes with an included screen protector. So you have your dust removal stickers, your wet and your dry wipes here. Put that down. Then we have the screen protector itself. I'm going to check this out in a second. And then here is the case. Nice rugged material on the inside of the case here. I like that. Looks very industrial. I like that. Very clean, utilitarian look. I'm a big fan of that. More company branding on the inside. Okay. Rest the case down for a second. Let's check out this tempered glass screen protector here. Is it going to have the blacked out borders? Is it going to have the blacked out borders? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Let's see here. Okay. So, basic, clear, tempered glass screen protector right here. All right. Nice, solid, basic, clear, tempered glass screen protector. All right. Good stuff there. Now, I already have a screen protector installed, so I'm not going to waste this one. So we're going to just put this off to the side along with the materials to install it. Rest this off to the side. Okay. Rest this off to the side too. Take that sleeve out the frame. Boom. Now, let's get into the first impressions of the case. Now, here's the inside. Like I said, I do like how the inside looks. Very clean and utilitarian. Nice matte material on the inside. A little bit more slippery than I would like, but very nice. Very nice. Flipping it around the sides, you can see we got full protection for our buttons here. A nice grippy material around the sides here. I like that. More company branding right here. So we got company branding right there. Okay. On the back, this is another one that has a built-in lens protector. And it snaps in and out, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Really good stuff there. Okay. More company branding on the back. And it does look like we have an integrated kickstand. Okay. I think we do. Gonna require a little effort to get it out, though. Yeah. Okay, yeah. We do have an integrated kickstand here. And it does snap into place. Again, a little bit of effort to get it out. I don't want to break it, though. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, that kickstand is firm. When it locks, it locks. Okay. Flipping to the front here. Got a nice protective deep lip for the display. Precision cutouts for our speakers and the microphones and the charging port. Good stuff there. So, there's the bottom. And another one at the top. Okay, good stuff there. Now, let's put the case on the device. Let's see how easy this is. Alright, so sliding it in. Hopefully we don't have many struggles. Okay, yes, and it slops right on. Slaps right on. My bad. My bad, y'all. This ain't no pig pen. It slaps right on. My bad. And yeah, so here is what the case looks like on my device. Really nice grip here. Really nice grip. Let me check the buttons. Oh yeah, super clicky buttons. Let me be quiet so y'all can hear. Super clicky, super responsive. Good stuff there. Nice protection for the cameras. Again, pop it open. Click. When you're ready, pop it closed. Click. Done. Okay, integrated kickstand. Pop it open. You can use the kickstand like this. Let me get that in the frame for y'all. Like this. My bad, I'm moving too quickly. Slow down, son. Slow down. So you could use it like this. Boom. In portrait mode. Or you can use it like this. Boom. In landscape mode. No problems. And then we also have pop socket mode. Now this one ain't as good as the other one, so probably won't work that good as a pop socket, so probably don't want to use it for that. But yeah, then when you're done, pop it up, close it, and rock out. Okay, so first impressions of the FNT case on the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, it seems to be really, really good. Okay, now, like I said, I'm going to take a little bit of extra time to really, really dive into reviewing this case. Like I said, I read a lot of the reviews on this case, and there were quite a bit of customers that were not happy with their experience. So, I want to make sure, okay, because I'm all about helping people out, I want to make sure that I really, really give this case the time that it needs. And I want to really gather and formulate my opinions. I don't really like to rush things. So we're going to really take our time and put this particular case through its paces. And I'm going to come back in the full review for you guys and gals, and let you guys and gals know what I think. But that pretty much does it for the overall unboxing and first impressions of the FNT case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Okay? And that does it for today's video. So as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and or I hope you guys and gals found it helpful, even though there was a few more extra struggles than I would like in this particular video, and we did make a few more mistakes than I would like in this particular video. But I'm only human, and these things happen, so it is what it is. Y'all know whatever happens when I push record happens. That being said, if you guys and gals did enjoy this video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you would like to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Also, click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Okay? Also, feel free to follow me on all the social medias. I'll link up my social media links down below in the video description. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live on the channel. And as always, if your interest is piqued and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up this particular case featured in the video or the featured device, the A54 5G itself, all the affiliated buy links for the featured case and featured device, as well as all of my other extended coverage on the A54 5G will be linked up down below in the video description. And the video description will contain affiliated buy links, meaning that when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So as always, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go if this video piqued your interest. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And we are recording here today in Video Pro mode, and we are using my professional studio lights to light up the scene. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. Okay, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.